That's a storm I was time-lapsing. I brought it in about 5 or 6 minutes ago. Because it was, oh, okay, I saw a flash right back here. It was starting to rain. I'm not going to chance rain on my camera. Especially on the tablet. Because, ooh. I'm uploading and I always hope I don't get hit by lightning too. Okay. People are gonna understand why I got a video camera in the front of my house here, videotaping it to who knows where, because this storm is just like it's boiled up right in front of the camera in time lapse. Okay, right there. That's where it's happening. I still feel kind of odd just being out in the front yard just videotaping. But at least people understand what the freak I'm doing. See that? Okay, it's drizzling. Okay, the vault. Right here. We might get a big old freaking lightning right up in there. But I don't know how long I can videotape for because it's drizzling rain. I could go under the underhang or the overhang on our house, but I don't know. I don't know. See, there's a vault. And I'm not sure if I could get the vault in the screen if I go over there. Okay, see, it's flashing out there. It's flashing. You can see the edge of this thing way the freak over there. Freaking north. Freaking east. See, and I don't want to get hit either. Don't want to get hit by lightning. Probably there's not going to be very many people out in this thing. Except if they're playing baseball and then they like being out in storms and stuff. I've seen lots of baseball videos when they like being out in storms and they're crazy and stuff. I'll keep you posted on this. Yeah. Okay, there's the vault right up in there. The vault. And oh, hey birdie. Okay, see, if the lightning hits right there, it's going to be pretty close. It's going to be pretty close and pretty loud. Let's see what this is going to do. Come on, what? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I got this. This is good stuff, man. Time lapse did it. Oh, okay, that's gonna be a lot louder. It was bright. It's gonna be a lot louder.